What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video of Jeremiah Show. Today I'm going to be testing out some slimes, all in them green, because I couldn't film all in one. So let's get started with the first one. Oh, look at this, guys. It's green and it's sticky. I don't like sticky stuff. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Try this one. 10. No. Okay. Let's try the big one. Let's mix them all together. Let's make bubbles.
We got somewhere to go tonight, okay? Thank God, because I was getting bored here. Casino to go gamble and stuff. No, you're wrong. It's better. No. Okay, this is huge. But I need y'all to get ready ASAP.
Dang, I didn't make a bubble. But still last time over here. I'm making slime bubbles.
So we gon' definitely have to get ready, get your best dress on. You know, your Sunday's best. No Gucci mama. Ben told me to tell y'all to get ready. I went so we're invited. Am I invited? Yeah, you can't tell every teacher, tell everybody I'm getting married and then get ready. You know, I got sales to do, so I figured I might.
Dang, look at this. I got me a baby. I was kidding. R K R K yo. Let me go get me some drink. Let's make some more bubbles.
So I thought it was a good idea to set up the slingshot trip for the boys to make it up to them. I do miss these guys. I promise. I ain't gonna hit nobody. Come on, man. What you trying to do? I figured, y'all been having a lot of fun at the shop. So I figured I'd get these dope ass slingshots and they go 160, so it'll help y'all come. You can keep up, bro. I knew with your crazy you're gonna be doing some. I'm being married for better or for worse. I think that's one of the things you're supposed to say when you get married, right? So I made the decision to shut them out. But I don't want anybody crashing. We live in life. Let's keep going in.
Sorry about that, guys. Bubble! Pop. I didn't. I got a Hulk smash. Hulk smash.
right now. You know what I mean? I know you ain't doing anything out in the world, but possibly getting him back working with us is the goal. This ain't nothing new. You see what the field is like, man. So why you ain't just coming back?
Yeah. Stick that first one? For who?
Trying to throw you off?
Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh my
I've
God.
been healthy, I've been happy. Like, well, that's not the problem. Yes or no, man? Are you coming back to 9 Mag? Yes or no?
Please God watch my videos because nobody be watching my videos. I think they suck really. Yeah. Nobody like them. So give a like to this video. Make sure you comment. Click that bell and subscribe to my channel. And that's what I got to you guys. Bye! If you turn the like button if you want me to smash my face to that song. Ready, set. Oh, Papa. It farted at me. Alright. And that's all I have to really got. Bye.